How are you all doing? As you know, my name is Babu, and the last part we entered in here. So this part we're going to make something which is the body. I want you guys to see this. As you all know, the Instagram body looks like this. So the first thing we're going to do is to create this row in here. So welcome guys, and be careful while you do this. And let me do it this one. So we're going to make a body part of our home, and the body one we're going to call it body. Yeah, it is giving us an error because we did not create it. So into components, you should also create this package which I called components. So you just should create this one. So a new file, and then go to call it body.dat. And so this body we're going to import material.dat stateless widget. We are going to our home and then import this one. Good to go. We're going to return new list review.builder. Item count, we're going to give it 10. Item builder, we're going to put it context in, comma index, which is going to point at this one. Index is equal to 0. This one. Then after this, I want to have a new size box. Going to have a height. I just put it height, which is 0. Simple. Not anything. It is all good now. Inside the size box, we're going to have a column. Main axis element, let us start. Main axis size, minimum. Cross axis alignment, that is fetch. And after that, we're going to have children, which is this children want to have a row. Inside this row, we have got to wrap this one with another padding here. Padding. This is from left to right. So you're going to give it 16.0, 16.02, 8.0, 16.0. So we are good to go now. Inside this wall, we're going to have something. We're going to have an alignment, an axis alignment. Put a space between. They're going to have children, which is going to take another row, and inside this we're going to have something. We're going to have children because we're going to take 3 items, which is the profile picture, the name, and the button, which is options button. Yeah. So inside this we're going to have children. And this okay. We already have children. So we're going to have a new container. New container, which is going to have a height of, let us put 60, and in the width of 60 as well. Yeah, that is what we need. We're going to have a decoration, which we're going to put a box decoration. Say box feet, then box feet, shape. We're going to have it as a cycle. They're going to have an image. Yeah. I'm going to take new decoration image. That is what we need now. So let us get going. So we're going to have the image that is going to be in that one. Asset image. Then I'm going to pass this image from assets / images / I think it's PDP, yeah, pdp.jpg. I think that is what we need now. And if we run the app, we should be able to see it. As you can see, there are almost 10, I think, or 9 images, and that is what we want. So let us go and do something else. And after the container, we're going to have a new sized image. New size box here. Just going to have a width of 10.0. The reason for putting this size the image is just to have space between the profile picture and the name. So up until now, I should understand this. We're going to have a new text. In the text, I'm going to give it my name, which is my Instagram name at 369. And let us decorate style. I'm doing this way. Yeah, I think it is not good. No, let's just run it and see what it looks like. As you can see, the name is now displaying. So very good. Now let us go. It is not that much, so I wanted to do something to make it bold. I think it is giving me an error. I don't know why. Let us try it. To do this body. It is so good. And if we run the app, you can see the changes. It is running like very cool. So let us do the last thing, which is an icon. This icon is going to be out of the row. The reason for that is because I want to make it almost to the. Let us do this. New icon button. Invert. Okay, yeah. Move it, yeah. That is good. Oh God, I think it is something that is not supposed to Just correct this error. Yeah, it is good. As you can see, the dash almost on the other side. So thank you guys for watching. I think this is the end of this tutorial, and in the next part we're going to add an image. So thank you very much.